Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yosi and this is my corner. In today's video, we're making this very delicious pot of stew. If you are like me, I love having stew in my house because I have kids that goes to school. We always make use of stew. So if I don't have stew at home, I don't have food at home because stew is so versatile. You can use it with white rice, you can boil pasta, yam, potatoes. You can even make white okra soup and have it with stew with any swallow of choice. So I love to always have stew in my house. There are different methods used to make stew, right? But this is how I typically make mine. So for this stew, I made use of chicken. Yeah, salt chicken. I added my properly cleaned chicken to the pot. I went in with my seasoning. Guys, you can use any seasoning of choice. Guys, we all know that when we properly season our protein, it takes the food from 0 to 100. So I had to properly season the protein, that is the chicken. I went in with some salt, some curry powder, my bouillon powder, some seasoning cubes, mixed spices, and a bit of thyme. I also added some bay leaf, onions. Then I'm going in with my garlic and pepper mix. That's a fresh pepper. I also added a bit of ginger powder. You want to mix that properly into the chicken. You just boil, cover it and allow it boil in its own juice before going in with water, and then you cover and allow it to cook. Guys, if this is your first time coming across this channel, please do not make it your last. Kindly hit on that subscribe button and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified whenever I post a new video. And to my returning wonderful amazing family, my returning subscribers, you guys, I love you dearly. I love you so much. Thank you for always coming back to support your baby girl. God bless you. Yeah, so I blended my tomato, onions and pepper mix, and I proceeded to boil the mix. So after some minutes, our chicken was ready. It was properly cooked. I then proceeded to fry the chicken because I'll be using the same oil to fry the stew. So I went in with some vegetable oil. After heating it up, I decided to fry my chicken. We all know how to fry chicken, don't we? So guys, at this point you will have to be very patient. Fry your tomato mix properly. You have to fry it for a very long time, because if you don't fry it, your stew will come out tasting tangy, to come out tasting sour. So make sure you fry it very well. I always love to lightly season my tomatoes, because I know I'm going to go in with the protein and also with the stock. And remember, the protein, that's the chicken, was properly seasoned. So you want to be very mindful of the seasoning and salt you add to the tomatoes. I always add it last, like the salt. I don't even add salt to my stew. I always wait for everything to marry together first before I know the quantity to go in with. We don't want our stew to be too salty, if you get what I mean. Feel free to go in with more spices like curry, thyme, if you want to. I sometimes do not want it to be too much in my food, honestly, so I hardly go in with more curry powder in my stews. So at this point you just allow your stew simmer and your stew is ready. Thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share this video. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.